Good morning, children. Hope that all of you are safe and fine at home. You will be remembering that you had studied the chapter Major Domains of the Earth, that is the fifth chapter in your geography textbook. Today, let us try to learn a new lesson, that is our country India, and that is the seventh chapter in your geography textbook. In this lesson, we are trying to learn about India. It is the seventh largest country in the world. See, India is bordered by the Himalayas in the north, Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, and Indian Ocean in the south. There are different geographical regions such as the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the Indian Plateau, islands, and coastal regions in India. This is called Eastern Coastal Plain, and this is the Western Coastal Plain. Here are islands in Arabian Sea. These islands are Lakshadweep Islands, and there are some islands in Bay of Bengal. These islands are known as Andaman and Nicobar Islands. India is entirely in the eastern hemisphere. It lies above the equator. You can see that the latitude that passes through the southern tip of mainland India is 8 degree north latitude, and the latitude that passes through the northernmost tip of India, that is 37 degree north latitude. India is a peninsula. A peninsula means a region that is surrounded by water on three sides and land on one side. India is completely in the eastern hemisphere. See this longitude which you see, which I draw here, that is 97 degree east longitude, and the longitude that passes through the western tip of India is 68 degree east longitude. Politically, India is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. An example for a union territory is Ladakh. An example for a state is Maharashtra. And see, India geographically or physically, India is divided into 6 geographical regions. One is the northern mountains, another geographical region that lies below that. Here you can see this region. This is northern plains. It is very fertile region. Rivers such as Ganga, Yamuna, etc., they flow through the northern plains. Here we have the Great Indian Desert, that's another geographical region of India, and you see this area. These are parts of Western Coastal Plain, and here we have Eastern Coastal Plains. Then we have some islands like Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. So there are 6 geographical divisions like Northern Mountains, Northern Plains, Great Indian Desert, Coastal Plains and Islands, and here what you see, this region is the Great Indian Plateau. It is uneven. Hope that you understood. Let us try to examine population of India. India is the second most populous country in the world. China is the most populous country. India has a population of more than 120 crore people. It is as per the census of 2011. Uttar Pradesh has the highest population among the states of India. There are 19.9 crore people in Uttar Pradesh alone. Now let me summarize. India is a peninsula. Geographically, it is the 7th largest country in the world. In terms of population, it is the second most populous country in the world. There are 28 states and 9 union territories in India. India has 6 different geographical regions. Here is an assignment for you. Please try to find out answers of these questions. The first one, write a brief note on India's geographical diversity. The second question is, which state of India has the highest population? And the third one is, define a peninsula. With this session has come to an end. That's all for the time being. Thanks for listening. Take care. Stay safe.